What's up, guys? Sorry if the wind's a bit loud, but I just wanted to do a little update video right now since I haven't posted in a little bit about what I've been doing with the Z and what's kind of taking me a little bit to put some more videos out. So we might be able to see right here, see if we can focus on that. I've actually got a new aluminum radiator that I just put in. So I was having an issue with it overheating, and I just came to the conclusion that the old radiator was probably just clogged, and so I got a new one. This one is from eBay, and it actually came with a kit. See if we can see. It has 2 electric fans on the inside. Those are 12-inch electric fans. So that's what I've been putting together. I've been trying to get that all sorted out. So the thing that's taking me a lot of time is down on the bottom where the transmission cooler lines go. You can see they're actually right here. There's one down there, and then this one up here. It actually has, I don't know if you can see from here. I'll put a little picture on right now. But there are some weird AN fittings that they aren't the kind of barb type that they normally come with on the original radiator. So I've been having to find some of those, and unluckily for me, it's been a couple weeks since I've been able to get them because I was on vacation last week. So that's the biggest thing that I've been waiting for. Another thing right here, I've always kind of had a problem with this leaking. You can see it's fluid on the ground right there. This is just being a little annoying, and it keeps leaking. So I actually bought a T-bolt hose clamp. If you guys don't know what that is, it's very much like the fuel injection clamps right here, right there, where it goes all the way around with a nice solid band of steel. It's not like these screw ones that kind of cut into it and everything. So hopefully that's going to give me a good seal. So with the fans, I did install an electric thermostat right here. So basically, I'm not going to go over everything right now. I'll make a video specifically for this later. But this thermostat has a relay right there on the side, and it basically is going to turn on when it gets to operating temperature and keep it nice and cool. And you could do it there. This one was, I believe, like $19, so pretty cheap. And there are some that have 2 heat settings, so it turns on 1 fan at lower heat, and then once it gets hotter, it does 2 fans. This is just running 2 of them right now. I'm not too worried about it. Better cooler for me. I'd rather have it cooler than hotter, especially because I live in New Mexico. It's a bit hot out here. So that's basically what I'm doing. That's the update on the Z, guys. I'm going to be making a video for this, how I ran the electricity for everything. This is the thermostat probe. I've actually put it inside here, and this kit actually wanted it to be like kind of on the outside where the fins are. But you can run it like this too. So that's basically where I'm at, guys. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do all that. But just because I don't have those parts in yet, I want to do this update video. Some things that I'm going to be doing in the near future, now that I've got the engine running quite well, is I'm going to be doing the carpets. That's going to be a fun video, as well as the headliner. Those ones, they're pretty destroyed. The headliner is just falling apart, and then the carpet's just absolutely disgusting. So hopefully I'll get those soon, and they're not too expensive. And one thing that I actually just got right here, if you guys don't know, this is the power transistor that does the coil. I believe it's this thing right here. And so basically what we're going to do is I bought the PRW-2, I believe is what it's called, power transistor, and it's going to give us much more reliable spark. It's from a newer, I believe it's a 92 Ultima or something, or Maxima, I'm not sure. But I got one of those, and we're going to be putting that in, and there's going to be a slight rewiring here, but other than that, it's going to be awesome, and hopefully it should run a lot better with that. That's all my plans for now, guys. I hope that this video kind of enticed you. I'm super excited. I'm super excited to see how this thermostat works and get it set properly. I haven't been able to start it yet because of the transmission cooler lines. But I'm super excited, guys, and I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions about what I'm doing or what brand I bought for anything of this, go ahead and just stick it in the comments below, and I will see you guys later.